Hi guys, it's Andrew Jeffers from Aussie Tax Time, and this is the third video in the series from the website www.abnnumber.net. So in the first two videos we showed you how to go about getting your Australian business number. The next thing that you really should do is get yourself an AUSkey. So what we did is we go to Google, AUSkey, there we go, click that, Australian Business Register. And let's go to register. What it does is it checks the system first to see whether you've got any existing keys on the system. Now, the second thing is we've got to put our ABN number in. So if you've already got your ABN number, your Australian business number, then just put it in this section here. If you don't know it yet, what you can do is you can go to ABN lookup. Type in the name of the company or your entity, sole trader, company, trust, partnership, and then the number will pop up here. This is available for you to look at all your suppliers. So every time you get a new invoice from a new supplier, you should always double check their Australian business number. So let's put the one for Aussie Tax Time in here, and we hit next. Okay, great. I'm going to go, so let's just have a look at here. I can choose a standard or administrator. So why don't we, it's recommended that we go for administrator. Manage your own AUSkey, manage others. So what you could actually do is you can give yourself an AUSkey and you can give other people in the business a standard AUSkey to access certain parts of it. Depending on the size of your business, you might want to just have yourself as the administrator, or you might have an in-house accountant, a bookkeeper, and you want to grant them the standard access so they can't change things. Now, you must remember this is very, very critical, because this is a gateway into the Australian Taxation Office and your ability to lodge your BAS statements, to lodge and get a whole bunch of information about the company. So you must keep this very, very private and don't go giving away administrative rights to just anybody. So are you the public officer? So I'm the director of the business. I'm also the public officer. When you register a company, and you register a tax file number, the tax department asks, who is the public officer? Who is the one person that we can discuss the main tax matters with? And also, the public officer is the person who signs off the company's tax return. So yes, that's me. Who would you like to receive administration key? Well, I want to receive it, or I can nominate somebody else. So let's go there. Okay, so then we've got to put in the details. So Andrew Jeffers. I've got to put my tax file number in there, email account. Now, do not hand out your tax file number to anybody, please. Somebody's got your tax file number. It's a start of them being able to take a bit of identity fraud. So be very careful. You can give it to your accountant. You can give it to the tax department. You can give it to when you're registering here, but keep it in a safe place and don't let other people see it. So I will enter my own details, date of birth and tax file number privately, and then we'll go on to the next screen. Okay, so it went through the next screen. All the information was right, and all it's saying is I declare that I'm authorised to do all what I said I would do. Be very careful when you're making statements on the computer on the internet. With the government bodies, this declare button is making a statement, it's making a declaration, and there are ramifications if you are not being honest about how you deal with this situation. Right, so what happens now is they've given me an activation code. Once we proceed with the application, we will email you instructions for activating your AUSkey. If you've not received it in 24 hours, please phone us. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're going to print that now, and then I will show you in the next video how we're going to go about installing this onto your computer. Okay, great. Thanks very much.